my dudes, my guys, my freaking boys. We are on the way to a drift event. This one's pretty cool. Some guy's name's Mike. He rented the track out and it's free to drift. So like normally at a drift event you'd have to pay like $100 or more to drift. This is just pay your entry fee per person, so it's 20 bucks for me, and if I bring a car I can drift. So we got the enclosed trailer hooked up, got the Miata in the enclosed trailer, and we're gonna go drifting, dude. It's at a track I've been to. The main track I've been to is Shenandoah. So we're gonna go out there, and the only thing I'm worried about is that they're gonna run too big of a layout for like the bigger cars, because they all have bigger cars. So we'll see how the stock Miata will hang out. But yeah, we're waiting for CJ to get here, and then we're gonna go ahead and roll out. I gotta get diesel fuel. I gotta pump the tires up on the trailer. I just can't like back it up the driveway because it's on a hill and I don't have an e-brake and I have a manual truck, so roll down the hill. So I'm gonna put some more air in the tires and then put diesel fuel in, and then we're gonna hit the road. And yeah, so let's see how this goes. What's up, y'all? It's like 8 in the morning the following day. We made it out here, forgot to record. I got like a really weird chronic illness, and I didn't really sleep because my chest is acting up really bad. I don't feel very good, but I'm at least gonna try to get some laps in today before I call it quits. But yeah, we're here. I wish I would have slept, and I wish my chest didn't feel like shit, but here we are. So I'm gonna go run to town real quick. Everybody's still asleep, so I'm gonna go run to town real fast, and then I'll be back. So I'll update y'all whenever I get back from town. Cam's trying to be first out on track as always. There's actually a lot of cars here. I'll walk around later. That's Cam's little setup. It's pretty rad. And this was our humble abode. We had CJ's air mattress, had a heater, and then my air mattress up there. But track's about to go hot here in a second, so I'm gonna hook y'all to the helmet and we can get on out there. So we land the tires already because I have no self-control. You can see that it's all off right there. So I have no self-control when it comes to hot lapping. So I had to figure that out, because I did bring a lot of tires, but I didn't bring that many, and majority of them are used. So that's a problem. I have these two brand new 205s. I have a set of brand new 195s, and everything else is used. So. More of those units. My first spin of the day, but I saved it, I guess. So all the drive we've been doing, got a hole in my front tire. No idea how that happened, but that's not ideal.
Wait, you don't have an e-brake?
Yeah, I don't have an e-brake.
Jesus Christ. Dude, you're this one. Too much, too much. Now you're gonna see how fucked I am. The tires are really hot. Look how good they got.
the camber up here, and then it's got the dually with the semi wheels. What a unit. These dudes are cool. They got like a whole bunch of Miatas that they drift. So I haven't seen any of these cars in person, I don't think, so this is the first time I've seen it in person, but they're pretty rad. They all got like period correct looking stuff and stuff like that. These cars are super sick. It's probably definitely one of my favorite cars here. It's like pretty low. It's got like all the cool stickers. Just everything on this thing's right. Super cool. There's lots of Z's out here. They're like the new 240s basically. You can just hop in them with like minimal money, minimal work, and they just do the thing. I also absolutely love this thing. Also perfect in like every way. So good. I love like the Japanese fitment where it's like tall in the front, low in the back. Got matching ones of these. Surprisingly, these C5s are becoming more popular. They're like going down in price now. It's Kevin's car. that got put on the event. It's a LS Supra. We're stopped on track right now, but this layout, the place is pretty big. My buddy Will's truck right here. Thing's tight. He's got the aluminum trailer hauling with the removable fender. It's a super cool setup. Sure y'all seen this on the internet. It's been making its rounds. It's a E36 convertible with a boat on top of it. Alright, so it's time to head back home. It is raining. A bunch of people are not doing so hot right now. We're all loaded up. It was decent. Still not feeling 100%, but it is what it is. So knock this 4-hour trip home out. I'll see y'all later. Thanks for watching. It is fucked.